Hello students, we have a question from JEE Main 2008 from the chapter Electrostatics. Question says that a parallel plate capacitor has a capacitance 9 μF in air which is separated by a distance d. Now the distance between plates is filled by two dielectric constants. One of the dielectric constant have K1 equal to 3 and another have K2 is equal to 6. So as per the question we can draw the figure. Total separation is D. For that, for a distance d by 3 we have a dielectric constant value 3, and for 2d by 3 we have 6. Now we have to find the capacitance of this combination. Now let's see how to proceed. So we know that for a parallel plate capacitor C equal to epsilon 0 A by D. Now when it is filled with a dielectric constant, then C is equal to K epsilon 0 A by D. Let's see for both the capacitance. For first part, C equals, say C1 equal epsilon 0 area of plate dielectric constant value K divided by distance D by 3. So this will be 3 into 3 9 epsilon 0 A by D, which is 9 C. So value of C is given as 9 microfarad. What is given in the question? Let's check. Value of C is given as 9 picofarad. So it is 9 picofarad. 9C. Now for part 2, C2 equals epsilon 0 A into dielectric constant value divided by 2 D by 3. So which will again give 6 by 2 is 3, 3 into 3 is 9, again it is 9C. See, this is in series combination. So net capacitance will be C equal to C1 C2 by C1 plus C2. Because both the value is 9C, so net capacitance is 9 by 2 into C. C value is 9 picofarad. So it is 81 by 2. So total capacitance is C equivalent is 81 by 2 picofarad, or we can say 40.5 picofarad. So these are the steps involved and our final answer is 40.5 picofarad. Let's see the options. 40.5 picofarad is D. So D is the right answer. So to know more about the concept of parallel plate capacitors, you can watch the video here and you can get more questions by scrolling, and you can go through books NCERT page number 75 line number 14, H.C. Verma Concept of Physics part 2 page number 145 line number 8, Electricity and Magnetism page number 243 line number 4. Thank you students.